Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn economics for beginners. Start by grasping fundamental concepts such as supply and demand, which are crucial for understanding market dynamics. Next, delve into scarcity and opportunity cost, core principles that explain choices. Finally, differentiate between microeconomics, focusing on individual decisions, and macroeconomics, which examines the economy as a whole. This foundational knowledge will set you on the right path. Now, let's dive into microeconomics essentials. Begin by studying consumer behavior, including how utility influences purchasing decisions. Then, analyze how firms manage production and costs to maximize profits. It's also important to understand different market structures, such as perfect competition, monopolies, and oligopolies, to see how they impact pricing and output. These concepts explain individual economic actions. Moving on to macroeconomics fundamentals, you'll want to grasp key indicators like gross domestic product, inflation, and unemployment rates. Next, learn about the tools governments use, such as fiscal policy, involving taxes and spending, and monetary policy, managed by central banks. Understanding economic growth and business cycles will help you see the bigger picture of national and global economies. These are vital for understanding broad economic trends. To effectively learn economics, employ practical strategies. Start by reading introductory textbooks and reputable articles to build a solid knowledge base. Supplement this with educational videos and online lectures, which can offer different perspectives and explanations. Most importantly, apply economic concepts to real-world examples and current events to solidify your understanding and see how theory plays out in practice. Consistent application is key.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.